Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted with 1-inch jerry border. A very beautiful, small and elegant border design sarees on pure boiled tussar fabric. Very beautiful hand painted pallu. Peacock, elegant peacock on the pallu. The pallu is actually, the peacock continues moving from the body. It comes on the chest part of the saree. Very beautiful one. The color choices are extremely good. And we have the peacock blue color pallu, the blouse piece with both sides jerry borders. One side we have a light blue color border, and the saree is plain red. This red is also a brownish red color. Very different red. Plain one. Both sides border design in light blue color. Very pretty, elegant pallu saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very beautiful hand painting design done on premium acid wash boiled tussar fabric. The elegant pallu here. A peacock design pallu. You see a very big peacock. The saree comes to the chest of the saree. Beautiful one. The color choices are very pretty. Basically in peacock concept. You can see the face and features of the peacock. Very beautiful. And the same blue is given for the blouse piece with both sides border. It's a small elegant border. It also adds a beauty to the saree. And the saree is in a very plain version, a maroon color, completely maroonish red, and we have the blue in the borders. Elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted with 1-inch zari border concept. Very elegant pallu, yellow pallu it is with black painting, design floral one with zari lines. Same yellow blouse piece with one side red borders. Very elegant color. And here a kind of tie and dye concept is given. You can see on the yellow base a red color is given. Vertically you can see the lines as well as dotted version, and we also have beautiful black flowers, hand painted. Different saree, very different one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, done on a premium acid wash boiled tussar fabric. A premium fabric of tussar with elegant small jerry borders. You can see the pallu of the saree, light green color saree with beautiful lotus design, hand painted pallu. The colors are very pretty, beautiful one. You can see a light green blouse piece as well. The complete saree is in single color. The body of the saree is also in the same green. You can see the lotus hand paints in the lower bottom of it. Excellent one, very elegant, classy one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very beautiful jerry border tussar saree, acid wash, pure tussar. This is the pallu, a hand painted pallu. You can see a beautiful design in it. Lotus design, hand painted. Excellently with magenta pink and beautiful red as well as green stems. And we have same running color blouse piece with jerry borders. The color of the saree is in green, a mild green color. Very beautiful color. The whole saree is in silk running color. You can see the vertical hand painting designs in lotus. Excellently painted, very mild and very elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, Vidarbha borders. Very beautiful, hand painted as well as hand block printed. Excellent concept sarees. 6 inches Jari Vidarbha border. Very beautiful one. Done on a classy boiled acid wash tussar fabric. Here we have a multi-color pallu. Vertically we have so many colors with very beautiful jari lines, and we have royal blue color blouse piece, very contrast one for the saree. The saree is in beautiful pattern, checked pattern, chessboard concept in multiple colors vertically, pink, orange as well as yellow is given with temple border. Alternatively the three colors comes, and we have royal blue for the zari borders, and we have a very beautiful hand painted design in the lower bottom of the saree. Same three colors along with grey is given on the white base. Really fantastic, beautiful concept saree, completely handmade with authentic silk. Thank you. Pure Tassa silk saree with Vidarbha borders. We have beautiful hand as well as block printed saree, hand painting as well as block painting. 6 inches jari Vidarbha, which is very pretty. Gold jari used for the borders, and here we have a hand painted design in the pallu along with jari lines on blue base, dark indigo blue color, and we have same color blouse piece with the Vidarbha borders. The saree is having block print as well on the base color. It's very deep indigo color, almost in navy touch, with block printed design using half white color. The borders are also on the same blue with hand painted design only in the lower borders. So multiple colors used for the hand painting. Very different one. Exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree with Vidarbha borders. Hand painted as well as a hand block printed mixed work sarees. Very elegant, beautiful. Pallu here, multicolors. Base of the pallu is given in blue with grey as well as the block printed designs. And we have blue color, light blue blouse piece with one side dark blue borders. This is a very beautiful saree here. Hand painting work is done in a very big portion. You see a circle, hand painted, and inside the circle we have block printed design on grey base. We also have beautiful peacock open feather design, block printed in the blue base of the saree. Very elegant one. Complete sarees having both hand as well as block printed design. The borders of the Vidarbha is completely in light blue color with black design block print as well. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant contrast pallu. The complete saree is having Jamdani weaves here. Beautiful red shade, a chilli red color saree with Dupian finish weaving, and we have a zari border also with beautiful Jamdani weaves done using a beige and black color threads. Very elegant weave, you can see completely hand woven, beautiful design with a contrast black pallu. On black pallu, the black pallu is also a Dupian finish weaved one with Jamdani weaves in it, red and beige used for the pallu, and we have pallu color plain blouse piece, a contrast one for the body. Very elegant and attractive color, black and red, goes really well with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree with Dupian finish weaving, and we have Gicha pallu. A very elegant saree here, beautiful color, almost a wine shade color, magenta pink with mild black mix, so it gives a beautiful dark magenta with very elegant Jamdani weaves all over. Small butta designs that is done using blue and yellow threads here. Dupian finishing, completely hand woven with zari border as well. And we have a pallu that is a Gicha pallu. On it the Jamdani weaves are done using blue color threads. And we have the pallu tassels already made with the contrast blue blouse piece. Very elegant combination. The beautiful ever wanted combination here with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with a beautiful temple border, Ganga Jamuna border here. A very elegant saree with a pastel shade combination. The saree here is completely grey with beautiful finished borders. Atop we have the blue borders with temple work, golden zari border, and we have the lower border, it is in pink. Very elegant one. Dupian finishing, excellent pastel shade saree with the pallu that is a vertically splitted pallu. We have gichas to split the grey and skin like light peach color. The blouse piece is also a contrast one here. The skin color peach is given for the blouse piece. The blouse piece also has Jamdani work, Ganga Jamuna work borders with temple border as well. Excellent combination, beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree with beautiful Dupion finish weaving, completely hand woven with a very elegant new design. Here we have a checked pattern saree with a tissue border as well as a thread border. A beautiful red saree here, hot red with pink checks here. Check lines are in pink shade, and you can see the very elegant tissue gold zari border and a thin border that is in pink. Very beautiful concept, and the color is also very attractive. The pallu that has gicha as well as the pink and golden zari border in the pallu, and we have same red for the blouse piece with just the horizontal lines as stripes pattern. Very beautiful saree, excellent launch, completely hand woven with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree with beautiful gicha pallu, a checked pattern saree with very elegant weaving, completely Dupion finish weaving it is. A hand woven saree, complete handmade, beautiful handloom one. And you can see the saree color, a light military green shade with very elegant checks pattern. Checks are done using pink here, and you can see a beautiful tissue border as well as the thread border here, and thread border is also done in pink portion. Excellent one. Combination is very different. Saree also is very different with Dupion finishing, and we have the pallu that is a gicha one here. We also have a vertical zari as well as pink coming in the pallu, and we have the pallu tassels already made with the blouse piece that is also in the saree color with only the horizontal stripes portion. Excellent one, very different with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupion finish weaving, very elegant gicha pallu. Excellent saree here with beautiful colors. Here we have a deep reddish maroon shade color. Dupion finish weaving is very visible, and it is hand woven saree with very fine finish with Jamdani weaves all over, small butta designs done using green and black here all over the saree. It comes with zari borders in both sides, and we have a beautiful gicha pallu. On it we have a Jamdani weaves that is done using the black thread, and pallu tassels are already made, and we have a beautiful black blouse piece, a contrast blouse piece for the saree. Excellent one, even the blouse piece have the zari borders. Beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree with beautiful Jamdani weaving design, very elegant dark colors, Dupion weaving too, finely hand woven, very beautiful sarees. And here we have a deep choco brown color, almost a burgundy shade it is, with Jamdani weaves here and there. Black as well as green is used for the Jamdani weaves here. Finely done Dupion finish weaving, and we have a golden zari border along with the thin border in black as well. And we have a pallu that is a gicha and Jamdani mix. You can see on gicha the work is done, which is beautifully done using the black threads, and we have pallu tassels already made and a contrast black blouse piece. Very elegant saree, beautiful finish, and is completely hand woven with authentic stick mark. Raw silk Dupion finish weaving with very elegant gicha and Jamdani mixed pallu here. Here we have a beautiful color. The saree is in Ananda blue shade, beautiful one with stars design, very elegantly it's been done, beautiful stars, and it is done using both gold and silver zari. All over the body it comes like that, here and there, very beautiful work. And we have Dupion finishing and a zari border also, which is also in golden zari here, with a gicha pallu on gicha. We have a Jamdani weaving also, pink thread is used, very beautiful and rich pallu, and we have contrast blouse piece. The color used for the contrast nature is the pink here. The gicha thread on gicha, the pink is used. Same way it is given for the blouse piece with zari borders. Beautiful saree, excellent design with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupion finish weaving, very elegant temple border design. The Ganga Jamuna concept thread border also. A beautiful color. We have a royal blue color with mild tissue mix, and you can see the beautiful finish as well. Fully the Dupion finish is done in the saree, finely handcrafted one with the Ganga Jamuna pattern border as well as a temple border. Bottom we have a pink border with golden zari temple, and top we have a blue border, very elegant one. And we have the pallu having gicha as well as two colors, the royal blue and pink is given, and we have a blouse piece which is also contrast pink shade. Blouse piece also have the same border design. Very elegant saree, completely hand woven with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupion finish weaving with very elegant gicha pallu. hand woven beautiful finish. Here we have a beautiful magenta pink color saree, almost in a mild wine tinge, beautiful shade, a completely dupian finish, hand woven saree with a golden zari border on the thin border black, and we also have the star shaped buttas. The buttas are done using Jamdani weaves in the zari, golden zari and silver zari are used here, and it comes all over the saree in the lower portion alone, and otherwise it's plain. Very elegant one with gicha pallu. Here gicha pallu, on it the Jamdani weaves are done using the blue shade thread. You can see the beautiful tassels already is made with a contrast blouse piece. The blouse piece is here, a royal blue shade. Excellent one with authentic silk work. Pure raw silk saree, dupian finish weaving with a very beautiful gicha pallu. Excellent and new design here. The saree is in beautiful deep blue, almost a navy blue with mild violet tinge, a very elegant color with gold and silver zari both used for the weaving here, which are the Jamdani weaves, and it is a star shaped design and it comes all over the saree in the lower portion. Excellent dupian weaving, and we also have a golden zari border in both sides of the saree, and gicha pallu is given. On gicha the Jamdani weaves are done using pink color threads here. You can see the pallu also having the same design, the butta weaves, and we have contrast pallu, blouse piece. Blouse piece is pink here. Excellent combination, beautiful design, completely a pure raw silk with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, dupian finish weaving with very elegant gicha pallu. A very beautiful saree here with the gold and silver zari both used for the works here. Jamdani weaves, zari is used instead of threads, and you can see both silver and gold. Very elegant design. The starting of the pallu, on the whole saree we have the same design running in the lower part. You can see beautiful red chili, red color, hot red. It is beautiful saree, and you can see the dupian finish weaving, hand woven, very beautiful finish, and you can see the borders also, which is also done in golden zari again. The pallu here is gicha, and on it the Jamdani weaves are done using black threads, and we have a beautiful black contrast blouse piece as well. Excellent saree, beautiful and attractive color with authentic silk mark.